Hello everyone, it's me Khurram here for you. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can make the solution at home for the removal of the acne scars that would be helpful for your skin brightening as well. So guys, now we are going to start our video, and here I'm going to divide this video in three parts. The first part, it would be related to the benefits of the ingredients, what we are using for this solution. And our second part, it would be related to the ingredients with the quantity, where I will let you know about the ingredients and the quantity what we have needed for this solution. And our last and third part, it would be related to our procedure, where I will let you know what procedure we have to adopt to make this solution and how to apply on your skin to get rid of this acne scars and get the skin brighter. So guys, now we are going to start our video. Stay connected. Adding skin soothing sandalwood powder to a blend of the turmeric and the lemon can take away any irritation caused by the acidic lemon. Sandalwood is also antimicrobial and will help kill any bacteria trying to invade the sign of injury. It also aids skin lightening and removes spots and blemishes. That was first part of the video where I have shared with you the ingredients benefits. Now we are going to our second part of the video, and this is related to the ingredients with the benefits. So for this solution we have needed three ingredients. Number one, we need the sandalwood. Number two, we need the organic turmeric powder, and number three, we need the lemon juice. So guys, now I'm going to let you know about the quantity. For our first ingredient, sandalwood, we have needed 1 teaspoon, and for our second ingredient, organic turmeric powder, we have needed 1 teaspoon, and our last and third ingredients, lemon juice, we just needed few drops. That was second part of the video where I have shared with you the ingredients with the quantity. Now we are going to our third part of the video where I will let you know what the process we have to adopt to make this solution and how to apply on your skin. This is two-step method, and the step one is combine the three ingredients. Now guys, I'm going to let you know what you have to do for this step. Number one, put 1 teaspoon of the turmeric powder in a mixing bowl. Number two, add 1 tablespoon of the sandalwood powder to it. And number three, add few drops of fresh lemon juice as well. So guys, that was our step one. Now we are going to our step two, and our step two is mix well and apply it to the scar twice daily. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what you have to do for this step two. Number one, use a spoon to mix the ingredients well. Number two, apply the thick layer of the paste to your scars. Number three, leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse it off with the cool water. Number four, pat your skin dry and apply light moisturizer. This is simple and the easiest way to make this solution at home. So guys, I'm going to suggest you may try this one on your skin twice a day to remove this acne scars. So guys, this was the video for today. Next time I will come with some interesting and helpful solution. Till that time, take care.